Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you clear Facebook cache in 2026 updated method. Let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, open the Facebook application and make sure your phone is already logged into your current account. After that, look at the top left corner. Here you can find the 3-line hamburger menu button. Tap on it. Then scroll through the page, find settings and privacy, click on it, then go to settings. Once you are in the settings and privacy menu, scroll through the page. In the preferences section, under find the browser option, click on it. After that, at the very top, locate at the browsing activity section under cookies and cache option. Simply tap on the clear button, then hit clear. Don't worry, not be delete your account or any data, and you have successfully cleared cookies and cache your Facebook app. That's it how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.